This is your KCTV5 News Update.
The CDC is changing the way that it tracks breakthrough cases. That's when a fully vaccinated person tests positive for the virus. From now on, the CDC only wants to know about these cases if they result in hospitalization. Bloomberg News talked to several experts, and they say this could limit their ability to know which variants are evading the vaccine and when immunity fades. Now, breakthrough cases, they're very rare. Before the switch, the CDC counted a little more than 9,000. More than 95 million Americans are fully vaccinated. That's a breakthrough rate of less than 1%. The University of Kansas Health System says they've only had one breakthrough case that resulted in hospitalization. About 20% of Americans say they won't be getting vaccinated, and there's no convincing them. According to a new poll from YouGov, only 21% of registrants say they would change their mind. That'll make it hard to reach herd immunity in the U.S., but not impossible. Gyms starting to get busy again, but are you safe working out in a crowded space? Well, we talked to Dr. Dana Hawkinson at the University of Kansas Health Systems. He says he started going to the gym again.
You know, I still try to pick times that are less busy. Still have not been able to make it back to any specific classes. Still do feel a little bit weary about that because we know those have been well documented as spreader events.
Dr. Hawkinson says he also wears a mask inside the gym. It may not be comfortable, but he says it is safer than not wearing one. The price of gas going up each day. You can blame the shutdown of the Colonial Pipeline this time. The ransomware attack has stopped the flow of fuel and threatened to slash the nation's supply of gas. Crews hope to have the pipeline up and running by the end of the week. Now, until then, prices will continue to climb. Here's a look at the cost to fill up here in Missouri. The average price for a gallon, $2.71. It's $2.77 in Kansas. National average just below $3 by a few cents. Honda drivers, listen up. The federal government investigating a possible steering issue in Accords made between 2013 and 2015. There's more than 1 million of those on the road. The issue could cause cars to veer out of their lane. Depending how the investigation goes, a recall could be issued.
I actually just came by here yesterday to get food, but saw that it was closed, but I thought it was just a Mother's Day thing.
Regulars of Italian Delight were shocked to see the closed sign on the restaurant's front door. After decades, the owners have decided to close up shop. The location on State Avenue, that's in KCK, that'll stay open. They have an owner, though.
And your Storm Track 5 forecast for your Tuesday, tracking a few isolated light rain showers as we're moving through this second day of our work week together. I do expect we're going to have a little bit of wet pavement heading into our morning rush hour this morning with a 30% chance of these scattered light showers. Temperatures in the upper 40s and lower 50s as you're stepping out the doorway this morning. Another day where we're going to keep it well below normal with temperatures, and I do have isolated showers in the forecast all the way through this afternoon, extending into some of your evening plans for tonight.
Turn to KCTV5 News for the latest all day. This is your personalized update because KCTV5 News stands for you.